Hi, I'm Austin Zimmerman with sawblade.com, and today we're here at Houston Metal Sawing, Houston's premier metal sawing and processing facility. Today we got a piece of Nitronic 50, a 12-inch round with a 4-inch wall thickness. This part came all the way from Alabama with a very tight tolerance. We had to cut within a 1/16 of an inch from top to bottom, over 25.5 inches, and we did that on our Himsaw 40-inch machine. Now there's only one blade here at Houston Metal Sawing that we go to for keeping such a tight tolerance in a critical part, and that's the Q1002 triple chip carbide blade from sawblade.com. You know, this blade has got a real precision ground triple chip carbide tooth, and it's got a 5% chrome backer that's going to give an ultimate machine finish in such a critical job as this here. And it took us about 2.5 hours to make the cut, so we were pulling about 1.5 to 2 square inches a minute on your down feed, and we set the part up at about 75 to 80 feet per minute on blade speed. Another thing that really helped us out in cutting such a critical part is the use of a good semi-synthetic sawing fluid that we use here at Houston Metal Sawing, and that's sawblade.com's C5200 semi-synthetic sawing fluid. It's got a good lubricant and detergent package that not only keeps the part and the blade cool, but also keeps those chips ejected out of the blade. That way, that blade has got a nice, healthy piece of material to go back into without any clogging or tooth strippage. Lastly, the thing that really helped us machine this part is the uses of a chip brush here on our Himsaw 40. What that does is it keeps the chips ejected out of the gullet, and as that blade comes back around through the saw head, it's got a nice clean tooth that can come back into the material without any obstructions. So here at Houston Metal Sawing, we got a lot of capabilities. No matter whether it's the size, we can cut up to 5 foot in cut diameter. Weight, we've got a 25-ton crane that services the entire facility, or tight tolerances, we can handle it. So if you got a high tolerance job that you need cut, you can always reach out and request a quote at HoustonMetalSawing.com, or if you want to process it in your own facility, reach out to sawblade.com and get your Q1002 triple chip carbide blade. I'm Austin Zimmerman, and thanks for watching.